Hey everyone, in this video we'll be talking about how to fix missing file privileges on Steam. So let's get started. So from here what you want to do is once you're logged in into your Steam account on the app, you want to click here on Steam on the top left and from here click on settings. So once the settings has been opened, you want to go into storage and then from here you basically want to click on the three dots and then from here you want to click on repair library. And then after that, you just want to wait for it to finish repairing your library. And then once it says done, you may now close. And from here, test it out. So open your game and see if you're still getting the error. If so, then we can proceed to the next step, which is by going to the downloads. And then from here, you just simply would want to find the clear cache option right here. So you want to click on clear cache and you want to click on confirm. But remember is that it would restart Steam and you will need to log into Steam again. So it would wipe your credentials also. So if you're okay with this, you want to click on confirm and then see if it has solved the problem. If not, then we can proceed to the last solution. Next is you want to go into the library and you want to navigate to the game that you are currently having errors with. For example, here in Dota 2, I'm going to right click here, click on properties, and in the installed files section, you want to click on verify integrity of game files. And then after that, you just want to finish loading. And then after it has finished loading, then you want to open your game again, and it should have been fixed now. And yeah, that is basically on how you can fix this error. Thank you for watching.